Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC B0021-1A indicates a specific issue relating to the airbag system of the 2023 Honda Accord. This code signifies a decreased resistance in the left side curtain airbag's first inflator. The airbag system, known as the Supplemental Restraint System, SRS, is designed to deploy airbags in the event of a collision, enhancing occupant safety. It consists of various components, including the airbag itself, inflators, circuit lines, and the SRS unit. The SRS unit monitors the status of these components and identifies issues through DTC codes when abnormal conditions arise. In this case, the detection line voltage being lower than a specified threshold causes the SRS unit to trigger the DTC for diagnosis. Understanding this error's significance is crucial in ensuring proper vehicle safety functions and compliance with safety standards. The DTC B0021-1A directly impacts the airbag system's functionality, specifically the left side curtain airbag. This airbag is crucial during side impacts, deploying to protect occupants from harm. The SRS unit, located within the dashboard area and connected to various sensors and airbags, controls and monitors airbag operation. Its role includes detecting abnormalities and storing relevant DTCs when issues arise. The inflator, positioned within the left side curtain airbag, is responsible for rapidly inflating the airbag upon detection of a collision. Proper connectivity and operational integrity of these components are vital for effective deployment and passenger safety. Several underlying causes can trigger the DTC B0021-1A. The primary reason is decreased resistance in the left side curtain airbag inflator, which suggests a possible fault in the inflator mechanism itself. Additionally, shorted wires in the circuit, particularly those connected to the left side curtain airbag, can affect the electrical signals sent to the SRS unit. These short circuits may arise from wear and tear or damage from external forces, such as collisions. Lastly, a malfunctioning SRS unit may fail to interpret the signals correctly, thus contributing to the code being set. Each of these aspects must be reviewed in detail to identify the problem source. When the DTC B0021-1A activates, several symptoms may present themselves, indicating issues with the airbag system. One common symptom is the illumination of the SRS warning light on the dashboard, alerting the driver to a potential problem with the airbag system. This warning light is a critical indicator that safety features may not operate correctly in the event of a collision. Additionally, the airbag system may not function properly, leading to concerns about passenger safety during accidents. If an airbag's deployment is faulty, it can significantly compromise protection in a crash scenario, underlining the urgency of resolving this DTC. The first troubleshooting step involves setting the vehicle to on mode to prepare for diagnostics. Once the vehicle is in this state, you should wait for a period of 10 seconds. This waiting period allows the SRS unit to perform an initial self-check on its systems and components, thereby updating its recorded statuses. After waiting, check for the presence of the DTC B0021-1A. If this trouble code does not appear, it indicates that the system may be functioning normally at this moment, shifting attention to the airbag component itself for further inspection. If the DTC reappears, it indicates that there is an ongoing issue to be addressed. For the second step, begin by disconnecting the left side curtain airbag inflator connector to ensure safety when handling SRS components. Following this disconnection, inspect the circuit linked to the left side curtain airbag for any short circuits. The left side curtain airbag plays a key role in passenger protection, and any circuit issues could directly affect its performance. Use a multimeter to check for proper resistance values. Abnormal readings may indicate faults. Note that circuit integrity is paramount for the SRS unit to receive accurate signals. Any irregularities should be recorded for further analysis or repair. In this third troubleshooting step, focus on inspecting the wiring associated with the SRS unit. A thorough examination for shorts is essential, as any wiring issues can lead to incomplete signals or erroneous DTC codes. Utilize specific testing tools to perform continuity tests between various points in the circuit. These tests help identify any breaks or poor connections that could impact airbag deployment. Ensure that all connections meet factory specifications and that no exposed wires are present. If any faults are discovered during this inspection, they must be rectified to restore the integrity of the airbag system. For the fourth step, after ensuring that all the previous components are in good condition, test the SRS unit itself. If all previous inspections yielded normal results, the SRS unit may be the last remaining component contributing to the DTC. Specific diagnostic tools may be required to conduct this test effectively, examining if the unit functions as intended. If indications reveal that the SRS unit is malfunctioning or not responding appropriately, it will need to be replaced. It's vital to confirm each component's functionality to ensure the vehicle safety systems work correctly. After completing all necessary repairs, the final step is to verify that the DTC has been resolved. This involves resetting any DTC codes stored in the SRS unit. Following this reset, take the vehicle for a road test to ensure that all systems are functional and the SRS operates correctly. During the road test, pay attention to the dashboard monitors that provide real-time feedback on the airbag system. If the SRS warning light remains off and no new codes appear, it indicates successful repairs. This verification is crucial to ensure that the airbag system will deploy effectively in case of an accident. Preventive maintenance for the SRS, particularly concerning the airbag system of the Honda Accord, is essential for ensuring safety. Regular inspections for any signs of wear and tear, such as frayed wires or loose connections, can help identify issues before they escalate. It's also critical to maintain proper installation of all SRS components and use OEM, original equipment manufacturer, parts for replacements. Periodic checks on the airbag module and surrounding wiring can prolong functionality and ensure optimal performance. Drivers should also consult their vehicle manual for guidelines concerning the SRS system to stay informed. In conclusion, DTC B0021-1A signifies decreased resistance in the left side curtain airbag's first inflator, which can compromise passenger safety. The troubleshooting process requires detail-oriented inspections of the airbag system, wiring, and SRS unit to identify and rectify any issues. Each step must be meticulously conducted to ensure that all components are functioning correctly and that safety standards are met. Final verification is essential to confirm repairs before the vehicle is returned to service. By maintaining vigilance and adhering to preventive maintenance protocols, owners can safeguard their vehicles against future potential airbag malfunctions. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.